How to make passive income with Midjourney t-shirt designs on print on demand. So go ahead and open your Discord application to access Midjourney. Make sure you have a Discord account since this is the only way to access it. Now, once you're in a conversation with the Midjourney bot, type in slash followed by the word imagine, and then this prompt will then appear. So tap on it, and in here you will type in the description of the image that you want to be generated. First thing that I'll make, the cute type of vectors that we usually see on Pinterest t-shirts. To do that, a great word to achieve it is kawaii, cute, and happy. So just type that in, and then next add in the object that you want to show. As for me, I'd like a cat wearing a hat. And then one helpful thing that we can use to help is adding professional t-shirt design. Add in contour as well, and then type in a white background just so we can cut it easily later. Enter that in, and then just wait for Midjourney to fully generate your image. Now here are four images. Tap on U1, U2, U3, or U4 to upscale the image, and you can download it from there. By the way, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Below is the V1, V2, V3, and V4, which means version. So if you want another version of an image, click on the corresponding V number and it will then generate another version of that. Now let's try another prompt. Let's type in slash imagine again. And this bar, let's type in the graphic t-shirt vector. And then I want here a dog wearing sunglasses. And then let's add in the professional t-shirt layout. And lastly, the white background for easier cutting. Now wait for this to load. And once it's loaded, again, click on U1, U2, U3, or U4 buttons and download what you want. Once you have your image, upscale. And to save it, click on this web button. This will direct you to your browser where you will see the size, its date, aspect ratio, and other details of the image. And from here, click on the save icon. Now, as you can see, this size is too small for clear printing. The default size that Midjourney generates is 1024 by 1024 pixels. So unless you specify the aspect ratio, the resolution will change a bit, but that is still the average size. We can resize the resolution of our vector image, and to do that, open another tab and type in vectorizer.ai. This platform would make our image vector, and that way its resolution will not be pixelated and the quality of the image will not be destroyed once we use it for t-shirt layout and t-shirt printing. Now once you upload it in here and the vectorizer is finished, you will see that we have the same photo. It's just a vector version. Now we need to download it and make sure that it is on the PNG file format just so we can make it bigger. Now from here, you can use any editing platform. You can use Photoshop, you can use Canva, just to make your vector bigger. So I will use an open Canva. Click on this create a new design. Input the resolution that you want. In my case, I'll type in 4500 by 4500 just so I have a square pattern. After that, go to the left panel in the page and upload your PNG file. Adjust it to fit the screen and then add in the t-shirt layout. After that, download it again as PNG or PDF. Now, another way to put your images on t-shirts is to use Redbubble. Redbubble is a site that allows users to purchase art from independent artists. Artists, on the other hand, can upload their designs, and customers can choose to have those designs printed on over 70 different products, from art prints to bags to mugs and a lot more. And here, log in or sign up. Make sure to sign up as an artist since we will be uploading our own design. Once you're in their homepage, click on this add new work. In here, tap on add new work and choose the image vector that we upscaled. Once it's loaded, scroll down And in here, you will see a lot of product with your image on top of it. As you can see, our image is already on top of the shirt. Click on the edit button to adjust it. And from here, you can edit its design, the t-shirt style. So from tank top, v-neck shirts, long sleeves, and a lot more is available in here. You can also edit the color, the size of your shirt, and then after that, add in a title, a description, some tags to make your item easier to search, and once you're done editing, click on apply changes. Click on the disabled button to add it on your product list. And if you want your image to be on another product that is not enabled, simply tap on this and you will then be able to edit it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and it will then be saved. Now, aside from vectorized animals, we can also try to generate vintage items such as cameras, sunset, or vintage cars. To do that, again, type in /imagine and then click on this prompt. Now in here we can type in, this is a great word or phrase, action shot, and then add in your description. I'll be using action shot of vintage car. The action shot word is important in here. You can also add it to your prompt. You can also specify the color that you want. So now I'll add in sunset color just so it has a sunset vibes. And also type in professional t-shirt design with white background. Again, click on the refresh button if you don't like anything from the 4 generated images. And if you want one, click on the upscales button. Wait for it to load and then click on web. From here, you can download it. And then you can upscale and layout it again on your t-shirt templates. So that is how to make passive income with Midjourney t-shirt designs print on demand. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.